For those more demanding jobs that just need to be done right, add WD-40 Specialist to your toolbox. High-performance white lithium grease from the WD-40 Specialist range is the fixed spray grease that goes on white and doesn't run. Specially formulated for use on metal-to-metal connections, white lithium grease was developed for harsh weather conditions and continues to work in extreme temperatures from -30 up to 150 degrees Celsius. Just give the can a shake and spray directly to the area you need lubricated or protected, and you're done. Its versatility makes it a great lubricant for car and boot hinges, bearings, gear and piston mechanisms, or for providing long-lasting protection against rust and corrosion in everyday objects like winches, chains and latches. WD-40 Specialist White Lithium Grease is great for metal-to-metal applications, reducing friction to ensure your tools and equipment keep moving smoothly. No matter which specialised product you reach for, the decades of science behind WD-40 brand products and formulas deliver the superior performance you need.